There's nothing more tragic than the ballad of a lady that was lost, couldn't find a man. Over the beat of her heart, a symphony that's led by the world's smallest violin. There's nothing more tragic than the ballad of a lady that was lost, couldn't find a man. Over the beat of her heart, a symphony that's led by the world's smallest violin. Sometimes I chill with my queens, politicking, picking their brains, smoking cereal trees and hear what they think. So many willing to cheat, that sells out of love for material things. A nigga with cheese, Cadillacs, bitch with the D's. Gotta be a rich boy just to get in them jeans. And then wonder why niggas ain't respecting they G's. Only whores fuck for gold. Cinderella can see if the shoe fits. Misery loves company, doesn't she? And you just dying to move in, cause she got some huge tits. And after a few fifths, she ready to do shit. But after the music, she back on her bullshit. Toss me a new clip, I'm killing it. New chicks, I'm swimming in. You'd have thought I signed with Dr. Dre and Eminem. Exes, texting, playing the violin again. Throw my nights on, have a stroll down Michigan. Nothing more tragic than the ballad of a lady that was lost, couldn't find a man. Over the beat of her heart, a symphony that's led by the world's smallest violin. There's nothing more tragic than the ballad of a lady that was lost and couldn't find a man. Over the beat of her heart, a symphony that's led by the world's smallest violin. Made me sick and I ain't searching for a remedy. Shorty, you blow my mind like Fitzgerald Kennedy. We broke bad cause she really wasn't feeling me, and even if she was, couldn't understand the chemistry. Reaction was over. Everything beginning has an end indeed. Told her till it came she had a friend in me, and I could be the friend of her consistently, persistently. I chased until I made my way inside her head and in her dreams. In her heart, now we grooving to a different beat. Solo switching strings, claiming that she missing me. But John told me yesterday you didn't remember me. As other chicks lending me their ears, bringing jealousy. Seeing red and smelling green, every day's a felony. Only live once, life shorter than the midget beat. All around the world, same song that the women sing. Either lost my number or she found us a better D. Nothing more tragic than the ballad of a lady that was lost, couldn't find a man. Over the beat of her heart, a symphony that's led by the world's smallest violin. I knew a chick named Walona that's a soldier, that's a loner, cause I told her I run it more than the boner. And I guess she thought my homie was cuter because she owned him. And he told me right away cause our blood's thicker than water. Knew a girl named Cheryl I was feeling till I found a dead rabbit on boil in my kitchen. Knew a bitch cold as ice when I was nice, had to get nasty and a stinking ass paid the price. Tika, I never dated, always unhappy cause she claimed a nigga credit statements didn't match her expectations. Knew a diva named Kima used to eat her like a pizza. When it came time, she ain't never pleased up. Had an ex-turned mistress in distress. I couldn't help, I loved her and I miss her to didn't have. This little orchestra is growing by the minute, and I sing a song similar through swishes and the cigarettes. It's nothing more tragic than the ballad of a beat of a heart, symphony that's led by the world's smallest violin. It's nothing more tragic than the